Know the cause of late period, menstrual cycle or irregular period or missing period. Late period, menstrual cycle or irregular period or period missing happen for so many reasons, and people most commonly thinks about pregnancy. Most women who haven't reached menopause usually have a period every 28 days. Commonly, menstrual cycle can range from every 21 to 35 days. If your period doesn't fall within these ranges, then it is called late period or irregular period. Know the common reasons of late period or irregular period or missing period. Pregnant after you're sexually active can cause missing period. Pregnancy is a common reason why periods unexpectedly stops. It might be that your period is simply late, so you could wait a few days to see if it arrives. If it doesn't arrive, you can do a pregnancy test to confirm whether or not you're pregnant. Stress. If you are stressed, your menstrual cycle period can become longer or shorter. Your periods may stop altogether, or they might become more painful and cramps. It has been seen stress can affect the part of brain hypothalamus causes the problems. Avoiding the situations that causes the stress, taking regular exercise, friendly mental exposure with other and getting enough sleep can help a person eliminate stress and maintain a regular menstrual cycle. Thyroid irregularity. Thyroid disorder can cause irregularity in period. Actually, the gland responsible for your body's metabolism, if you having thyroid problem, can affect so many part of body. Symptoms include weight loss, change in heartbeat, increased sweating, loss of hair and trouble sleeping, etc. Sudden weight loss and intense exercise. Significant weight loss or intense exercise can cause a woman to miss her period. Low body weight-fat ratio can alter reproductive hormone levels, lowering them to levels where ovulation, menstruation and effect on period. Overweight or obese. Overweight can affect your hypothalamus, a gland in your brain responsible for regulating various processes in the body. If anyone is overweight, then body may produce an excess amount of estrogen, one of the hormones that regulate the reproductive system in women. Excess estrogen can affect how often you have periods and changes the period time. Polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS. It is a most common endocrine disorder among women between the ages of 18 and 44. Hormone imbalance that comes down to a lack of ovulation, so you have altered levels of estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone and high androgen levels. Cause. Symptoms can be irregular or no menstrual periods, heavy periods, excess body and facial hair, acne, pelvic pain, difficulty getting pregnant, etc. Cause is due to a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Risk factors include obesity, not enough physical exercise, and a family history. Cysts may be detectable by ultrasound.
Visit our website www.medihelp365.com to find doctors, hospital, medical service provider informations, read useful medical articles and lots more. Subscribe our YouTube channel Medical Help 365 Days to see medical related useful medical videos. Press bell icon to get instant notification.